about this.
You need a good grade to pass.
Yeah, but he's weird, and you know what they say about him around school.
Those are just rumors, and I've tried everything else.
Fine, I'm gonna stay here while you go talk to him.
If it makes you feel better, stay here then.
What do you want?
You're Arthur, right?
Yes, now again, what do you want?
I need help.
I don't tutor. Yes.
I need help.
Using people for help is with math. You clearly need assist with English. I'll say it again. I don't tutor. You know, given the length of the door and the rotational motion it can produce, I can expect a hairline fracture. Nothing permanent, but certainly painful.
What?
Translation, you should move your foot.
Please stop! I need your help! I lost my seat!
Why didn't you say so? Come in, come in.
Oh, okay.
Please, sit.
Okay.
And now, tell me if you remember.
Well, I was doing this large integral late last night. I really need a good grade, or I'm gonna fail the course. I fell asleep amidst the problem, and when I woke up, the C was gone.
Is there anything else you remember, or is there a rinse note or anything?
Well, not exactly, but there was something that could be a clue.
Oh, hello. While you sat napping, I slipped in and partook in the taking of your C. If you wish for it back, play my game. Answer all my clues right, and you may even learn my name. Signed, Mr.X. And look here. A glossy versus time graph.
What should we do with it?
Let's see if you've caught my interest. This next person is best from before, and again, I'll get them, or I mean, I'll help you.
Well, we have to solve all these clues, but I don't know what to do with this first one.
My guess is we have to solve the error underneath the graph.
What should we do with it then?
This next person would have to assume who's doing this from your house. So if we find the distance by finding the error underneath the graph, and we walk it from your house, we should be able to find the next clue.
I don't know how to do this. Left-hand approximation should do the trick.
By all means, do it then.
Oh, alright. Now that I think about it, left-hand approximation is a pretty rough estimate at times.
As is right hand, you should do them together to get a proper estimate of distance.
Midpoint's more accurate. I think I'll try that too. Now we go to my house and start walking, but in what direction?
There should be a clue in the notes somewhere. See right here, the word right is in all capitals. I bet if we go to your house or heading in that direction, we'll find the new note in no time.
So we're just going to play this game?
If you want your seat back then, yeah. Shercalc is on the case. Guys, hurry up, come on! The clue rests inside one of these boxes. Open the right one and it's yours. Open the wrong one and your life ends. Suppose the population of seeds increase according to the law of exponential growth. There are 100 seeds after the second day and 300 seeds after the fourth day. Approximately how many seeds were in the original population?
Solve the problem to figure out which box has the clue in it. They both have numbers on them, so whatever we come up with should be on one of the boxes.
Dude, this stuff's gonna release toxic gas. We should get out of here.
Everyone calm down. We can do this. As long as we know what the answer is before we open the box, nothing will blow up. Does anyone know how to do the exponential growth problems?
Do you not know how to?
Ever get percentage hubris?
We're going to die.
Think positive.
Really fast.
Okay, I know it has a K in it somewhere.
A T as well. Both the T and K are exponents. The base is E.
I'm trying to remember some of this now. Let's see. There. I think I did equation. What do you guys think?
Yeah, that looks accurate.
Alright, so the problem is there's two different populations on different days. Number of days with the T, K needs to be found, so do the C's. This can be a treat. I think the best place to start is by setting up both equations.
Oh, then we can solve for C in each equation.
Good idea. What now?
Let's plug in one of the C's into the equation that it wasn't derived from. That way we can solve for K.
Of course. Alright, then we plug the K and the C into the original equation, and we get the answer. Then the box is 100 out of 3.
This one, right here.
I got this. 3, 2, 1. Good job on solving that one. Next up, there's a switch next to the door. Use it and the bombs will be defused. And open the boxes. Each inside is another box. Each has a volume written on the top. Solve the following and open the corresponding box. Open the wrong one and up in smoke you'll go. The surface area of the square base open top rectangular box is 12 units squared. Find the dimensions of the box such that the volume is maximum. Oh boy, these aren't that bad.
Okay, I hate these problems almost as much as I hate related rates.
We might still die.
I have to admit, the gimmicks getting tiresome quite quickly. I'm gonna open that box and please your turn. So our first step is use the area equation to find y. And then plug y into the volume equation like so. Our x equals 2. Then we plug that back into the area equation to find y. Y equals 1. Then we plug that all back into the volume equation to find the volume of 4. Which one's that one?
What to do in your work on?
Okay, this is getting redundant at this point. One last clue to go. As it all ramps up, open this box and find its prize. Figure out the code, and to the C you will go. The code is the answer to the implicit differentiation of x squared minus 2y cubed minus 4y equals 2, using x equals 2 and y equals 3.
I don't know implicit differentiation.
I know this actually.
By all means, take it away.
Boy.
What are you doing?
Isn't it obvious? He's protecting his game.
What?
I wasn't sure at first, but I had my hunches. Open the box.
As I was saying, he mentioned boxes that have toxic gas. The note never mentions toxic gas. Small slip, but a crucial one. Never meant you pull a gun, though.
How are you alive?
Bullet hit the calculator, never reached the skin.
That's unbelievably lucky.
Not really. I mean, he shot my limited edition calculator.
You're alive, aren't you?
You're not listening. Limited edition calculator. Stephen Hawking signed it.
Stephen Hawking's? How
Yeah.
would he sign it?
He just kind of put the pen in his mouth and moved his head a bit. Whatever. That doesn't matter. That doesn't matter right now. What matters is I know where the sea is. Come on. As promised, there's your C.
Thanks. I have one more request. Can you help me with the integral?
Yeah, I guess. Sure.
Thanks again, but I can't believe Usman was Mr.X.
Oh, he isn't.
What?
Yeah, he's just a pawn. Probably some of the real Mr.X to watch us.
Then who's Mr.X?
I don't know, but it has to be someone who's truly depraved, twisted. Someone who lives for the suffering of others, is completely devoid of mercy. No, please, do so.
Alright. Oh,
It's the chair.
what?
Translation, you should move your foot.
Please stop! I'm sorry!
My guess is we have to solve the error underneath the graph.
Oh, I know how to do this. Left-hand approximation should do the trick. That's not the line, is it?
No.
What should we do with it? What should we do with it?
I forgot my line for a second there, jeez.
Not a nervous laugh. What are you doing?